Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
सिनियर राणेचो कॅबिनेट स्टेटस हायकोर्टात वेंचणुके सेटिंग सून देवयाक मार्ग मेकळो करपाच्या बदला प्रतापसिंह राणेक कॅबिनेट दर्जो दिवपाचे थारले म्हूण याचिकादाराचो दावो.
I have in my petition pointed out that the lifetime cabinet status to Pratapsingh Rane was given malafidely in exchange for him deciding not to contest the Pune constituency and make way for his daughter-in-law to contest on the BJP ticket. I have given all these details in the petition. The Honorable High Court was today pleased to admit the petition and has kept the matter on 2nd of May for interim relief.
12 स्टाफ लागतलो आणि ताणे लिस्टूय धाडला. या स्टाफाच्या पगाराक टॅक्स पेयरांचे 90 लाख रुपया गरजेशिवाय वतले.
So he has already submitted the list of 12 staff that he wants to be allotted to him, and after receiving that, the secretariat officials have swiftly moved and created those 12 posts, which will be filled to assist Mr. Pratapsingh Rane in this lifetime cabinet status given to him. I have also pointed out to the court that these 12 staff itself will cost the state exchequer around 90 lakhs a year. So this is a drain on the exchequer, unconstitutional.
मुळावे आर्ग्युमेंट ऐकून कोर्टान याचिका सविस्तर सुनावणेक दाखल करून घेतल्या. फुडली सुनावणी 2 मायाक. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.